Garnett-Tools out here making rookie mistakes, but let me see if we can recreate it. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, we'll go ahead and splice in the videos just so we can get a point of reference.
I've not used this device before, so let's see what we can get here. Click enter. We're going to do this all in real time. Enter, no, left, right, up, down. This is intriguing. I like this.
I think I have, oh yeah, I do. A scan tool in here from one of his favorite companies, Harbor Freight. Let's see if we could get this thing opened up. Let me make sure it has the same button, right? Let me make sure it has the same button, because we're looking at a gross case of operator error, I believe. But let's go ahead and try it on this thing. Let's see if we can even start this thing. Woo! We got a check engine light? Yes. Come on. Focus up. Come on. There we go. Focused. Alright, so what we're going to do here is hit enter. Well, astute observers would notice that's not enter. But it's going to do its thing and do something. Look. Okay. Huh, it's doing something. Up, nothing. Up, down, right, down, nothing. Okay. It's not working. It's not touchscreen, is it? Nope. I don't know what's wrong here. Well, that's not the enter button. That's the inspection and maintenance button. As you can see, it gives you IM readiness. Inspection and maintenance, emissions readiness. That's all this screen does. I'm not out here trying to claim it's locked up. It's frozen. Oh my God, it won't work. It won't do anything. It's locked up. The only way to get back is to escape. Garnett-Tools, if you're watching, it's okay. It's probably a common mistake with users who aren't really familiar with this class of tools, but that button, emissions or IM readiness, it really only serves the purpose to check the emissions readiness status of the vehicle. What happens is every time a user or operator clears a code, it resets emissions monitors, and that test or that button is a very fast and instant way for places with emissions testing to tell if those emissions monitors have been reset or if they're ready to be, if they're active and are ready and are reading. So maybe it's a design decision on Foxwell's part to put the button as a big blue button in the middle of the device. Maybe that's a design flaw, but the device, as you saw or as I demonstrated, probably isn't locked up. It's responding to your key presses. It's just that you specifically have to hit the back button, like firmly hit the back button and confirm it. There might even be a confirm screen that comes up when you hit the back button, but it's probably not locked up. Yeah, every one of these devices that look and operate as a basic OBD or EOBD scan tool generally has the IM button, and they pretty much all operate like that. Then I'm not going to pretend to know your intentions, but if you want to quiet the guys that are in your comments saying that it's operator error like I am, all you got to do is show a quick little short of you hitting the IM button, it go into that screen, and it not letting you exit after hitting the back or escape button. Everyone will be quiet after that.